Hello everybody, today I have this Freightliner Cascadia. The cruise control doesn't work sometimes and sometimes it does. Also the engine brake works sometimes and sometimes doesn't work. So right now it works. But if I press the clutch once and I try to use the cruise control again, it doesn't work at all. Checking with my DDL software, I find out then the clutch switch is open. So that means then the clutch switch is not working properly. So to fix this problem, we need to replace the clutch switch. So the clutch switch is located underneath the area where the clutch is, right here. It's very hard to see it. It's right there. You can see that blue wire over there. This one right here. That one. That blue wire is the one that connects to the clutch. This whole thing goes to the clutch switch, and it has a ball holding it on top. Let me show it to you. Right there, you can see it right there. Is this one right here. See this ball? That's the one is holding the clutch switch. So I'm going to remove it. Okay, once the clutch switch is removed, we can disconnect this plug by praying this white thing with a screwdriver from here. And once it's open, we just can push this little thing here, this little black clip, and pull the sensor, the switch out. So here is the switch, the clutch switch. These are the contact areas with the clutch pedal. This is where it damages. And here is the ball, then holds it. If you're wondering the size of this ball, is 532. You can see it right there, 532. This is the Allen gauge. Then is the right side for this bolt. Okay, I have the new switch here, the new clutch switch. Always compare them to see if there is any difference. Now we're going to start the switch right there. That's the place where it was, inside. So we're just gonna insert it, and then we're gonna insert the screw. Okay, the clutch switch is installed. I'm just gonna connect the plug, and then I'm going to start the engine. Okay, with the engine running, I'm going to check the switches. And we can see here the clutch switch is released, which is in the right position. Now we're gonna try to use the cruise control, and it works perfectly. And then we're gonna press the clutch. It should deactivate the cruise control. And now I'm gonna reactivate the clutch. So the problem is solved. This is a very common problem on Freightliner Cascadias. Then the clutch switch goes bad for unknown reason. Just the switch just goes bad for over the time. I'm just gonna say then, if for some reason you have then the problem that the cruise control or engine brake doesn't work, I suggest to inspect your switches all the time with the DDL software, because in many cases it's not just the clutch switch, the one that goes bad. It could be the switches here, the panel. This is a whole panel on the steering wheel. It could be the foot brake pedal switch, the parking switch too, or the wiring inside the cab then could go bad. So I suggest to check that before replacing the clutch switch, because in many cases could be other stuff going bad, and that's the reason why the cruise control or jailbreak doesn't work. If you have questions about this video, just comment below and I will answer them as soon as I can. Please like the video, share, subscribe, and thank you for watching.